advise, suggest, or recommend. Part 1. This is Easy Grammar from eLearning English. I'm Alice. In English, there are several verbs related to making a suggestion or offering advice. Let's talk about 3 of them today. Advise, suggest, and recommend. These verbs are close in meaning, but there are some differences. Advise is the most formal of the 3 and is used when someone with authority makes a suggestion. It could come from a government official, for example, or a supervisor, doctor, teacher, or someone else. Here's an example.
Experts advise limiting use of digital media before bed.
The verb recommend is less formal than advise and more personal. It is usually used when someone is making a suggestion based on his or her personal experience. Friends, family, and coworkers, for example, often recommend things to each other. Even a friendly stranger can recommend something based on experience. Here's an example.
Can you recommend a good eye doctor in the area? I need to get my eyes checked.
Suggest is the least formal of the 3 verbs. It is used in many situations to offer an idea, opinion, or possible plan of action for someone to consider.
I suggest we do the hardest tasks first. Then, the rest will be easy.
Note also that the verb suggest can be used in place of recommend when it means that something is good or deserves to be chosen, like this example.
My friend suggested an eye doctor not too far from here.
Join us again for part 2 when I will talk about sentence patterns. And that is Easy Grammar.